Yeah, Roger, I said, would you like me to put an audio clip on YouTube? I could do an audio clip of your modulation. You could hear it there. You could listen to it on YouTube, on internet. Over.
Okay, I'm sorry, Martin. My modulation for you. My modulation over.
Roger, yeah, your modulation. I am doing an audio recording at present, doing audio recording, and with your permission, I could put it on YouTube. I would put it on YouTube and tag your call sign. So all you would have to do would be hit YouTube on the computer and hit your call sign in, and that will come up automatic. Over.
Over. Yeah, thank you, Martin. My call sign in internet. You search my call sign, my website. My blog is correct. 180-435 over.
180-435. Yeah, well, I'll do that. I just did a short clip there, and as I said, I will let you hear how your transceiver is working there. Just interested. What is the microphone there? Your microphone over.
Okay, now in this moment, microphone is the original microphone, and my new radio, KMBU Tango Sierra 870. My microphone is the original Mick Martin in this moment. Okay, Martin, please, if possible, your city name over.
Okay, yeah, my city name I will spell for you. It is Antrim. I will spell like a Alpha, November, Tango, Radio, India, Mike. My town, Antrim, over.